Morning, boys. J-Rod. Schultz's car pulls. Let's get J-Rod to 50. He's trying to get to 50 subs. Help him out. Sub him up. Schultz's car pulls. He's awesome. I enjoy his shit. He's very enthusiastic. I like him. Jays Mix loves all things fucking Blue Jays. Hook him up if you can. My motherfucking Nico. That's gonna be the next fucking video. But today we got mail from Classic Cards. Eric over there. He's fucking awesome. Definitely check out Classic Cards. He's got David Fletcher for fucking doing an intro for his fucking PC. That's fucking awesome. So yeah. He sent me a fucking care package out of the blue. Tom Glavine. Oh, there's the dogs. Down dog. The Josie and Bella playing. Oh, there dogs. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hi, buddy. Oh, big lair dogs. Alright, boys, back to it. Crime Dog. Pacific. Love it. Smoltzy, Bazooka Card, Sick Ass Glavine out of EX. These cards are awesome, man. I missed out on so much when I was out of the hobby. Crime Dog, Metal. I missed so much. The Professor. It's hard to tell what he's throwing there. Two-seamer probably. Kyle Wright. He needs to kind of step it up a little bit. Alrighty, boys. Austin Riley. This kid is legit. That kid is legit. Acuna Matata. So shiny. I love the shine. Kyle Wright, 150 stamp. This shit is awesome. Sweet optic. Dude, Panini knows what the fuck they're doing now, boys. Tops better watch their ass. Home run challenge. You know he probably hit one. You know. 495 fucking feet. Fucking bomb. Fucking Riley. Semi getting excited for some playoffs. Soroka Prospect. This is fucking awesome. Eugenio Albies. Franchise. I'm not a big fan of these cards right here. This is your style. I don't know what the fuck Topps was thinking. Acuna Matata. Another franchise. That's fucking awesome. Acuna fucking refractor. I love the shine, boys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Another Glavine. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. These kids, we'll see if they got it figured out. Sweet fucking Andrew. He was awesome. Spirit is a Game. That's a cool card. He was fucking awesome. Rookie. That's a cool card. He went. Big Cat. Winkler. This is a cool card. I like this one. This is cool. Got a nice shine, shine. Cool little BJ Upton. I met the Upton boys in the Hudson Valley Renegades game. They were pretty cool. They're tall. A Newcomb holiday thing. Only one of those I got. That's cool. Kenny Lofton. Pretend like he's Babe Ruth. Cool fucking Sports Flicks card. Doesn't really do much like the old school ones. Got a fucking auto of fucking Jeff Locke. I semi-remember this kid. Kind of sort of remember hearing about him. We got... the Crime Dog. This is fucking awesome. Oh, man. Why'd I have to miss all this awesomeness back then? Jesus Christ. Fucking sweet ass chipper. Gotta put it up to the light. See it. Can you see it? There we go. Kinda see it. It's fucking awesome. Chipper. Collector's choice. Oh man, this might be my favorite chipper. One of them. This fucking thing is awesome. Gallery Chrome Refractor, boys. Did you even know? Gallery Chrome? What? What? I had no idea. Look at that shit, boys. That is fucking awesome. This is one of my favorite chippers, without a doubt. Thank you, Eric. This pile of fucking... Dude, these chippers are awesome, man. That grainy ass picture. They didn't try very hard on this set. Cool chipper. Youngster. Good old Stadium Club. I missed so many years of Stadium Club. Little debut card. Got that one. Fuck. He sent some fucking bookmarks. Test issue diamond marks. I don't know if I'm going to open these yet or not. I'm thinking about letting my kids use them for their school books. We'll see. He sent some fucking big old Action All-Stars. I want to open these. So we'll see these. Got 2 of those. So we'll open those. And he sent some a little mini American Baseball Stars pack here. Got Fernando. Ooh, come on. Got Fernando. Touch them all, Joe. Touch them all. Hall of Famer George Brett. Hall of Famer Ricky Henderson. And Jeffrey Leonard, of course. Everybody got Jeffrey Leonard. So yeah, boys, let's open these here packs and we'll fucking see what kind of big cards we got. I'll be right back. Alrighty, boys, I'm back. Alright, here we go. Greg Luzinski. Can't say that I remember him. Dewey Evans. There we go. He was good. Oh, there we go. Hall of Famer Robin Yount. All right. Look at that flow, boys. Oh, another Hall of Famer. Nice. Bruce Sutter. Nice. Damn, Fred Lynn, too. Nice. This is a fucking killer pack. Fernando, man, that, oh, the batting helmet on. Oh, shit. That was a good pack right there, boys. Chris Chambliss. Hal McRae. Ron Oster. Larry Parrish. And Steve Garvey. He was good. So yeah, boys, that was fucking sweet package from fucking Classic Cards. Thank you, Eric. That was fucking awesome. It's gonna have to be fun putting all that away. Fucking check out J-Rod Collections, boys. He's trying to get to 50 subs. Help him out. Schultz's card pulls. He's very entertaining. He likes fucking very enthusiastic. I enjoy his videos. Fucking check him out. And Jay's Mix up there in Toronto, boys. Go check out his videos. He loves all things fucking Blue Jays. So yeah, check him out. Hook him up. Next videos, my motherfucking Nico sent me my fucking monthly winnings. This box is fucking jam-packed. That's gonna be a long video, because Nico's the fucking man. So yeah, boys. Shout out time. Shout out to the Brozcast. Keep up the good work on your face space and all that. Hope everything works out good for you. Fucking Lego Hawk Cards. Victor Negron. Jason Eric Goldberg. Ped's car collection. B-Pat's cards. Burke Knowledge. Whew, so many. Watch the Corners. Go check out Watch the Corners. They're cool. Victor just shouted them out the other day. Oh, man. Yeah, boys. And remember, it come with an egg.